this video, we explain how to ask for refund from 1688. As in, maybe you got something and the supplier has not sent it and you're tired of waiting. You ask for refund. That's why it's good to buy from the app, because from the app they can't scam you. So let's go straight to the point. Go to your 1688 app. This is it. Now, when you go to your app, you see this place where your personal details is. I don't know if you're seeing them on my map, like a person. Click on it. Okay, see you're here. So now let me explain this. This first place. Okay, this is the home page. Click on that place that looks like a person. Where is my pencil? This place. I don't know if you have seen the mark. Click on that place. Then it comes here. Now let me explain this bit by bit. You see this place. When you pay, after maybe you want to buy and maybe you wanted to pay and you could not pay or something, it will come over to this place. Or sometimes, sometimes suppliers can reduce the price. Yes, you can negotiate price with suppliers and they reduce the price. They will ask you to do as if you want to buy. When you do as if you want to buy, but you will not buy, you just do as if you want to buy, then stop it. You don't make payments from Alipay. It will come here. You will see it right here. Then they can go and change the price for you to make payments. So the items that you are not able to buy or you wanted to buy and stop will appear here. That's this first part. Why this part? This part is the item. This is where you see items that supplier has not yet moved. Supplier has not yet delivered to the shipping company. It has not moved at all. So now I've bought more than 200 items while one has not yet moved. So I feel like asking for a refund because it's been long and it's delaying my other items. So this place here, this one here, this one that is in a place where there's motor means it has moved. Some of them have got to the shipping company, while some are yet to get to shipping company. So it's your duty now to ask, to check if they have got to shipping company or not. That will be a video for next time. So if you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. If you not like this video, like this video. Alright, then this place is also where you see all your items too. You can also rebuy from the supplier. This place is where, after asking for refund, it appears here. This is the money aspect. So now let's quickly go and ask for the refund. Now I said I want to ask for refund. This person has been delaying me. Let me ask for the refund. So what you just need to do is to click there and look at the item that is delaying me, kitchen towel. So you click there. When you click there, once you click, you see it. Now, this is my high dictionary. If you don't have it, it helps you translate right in your app. I've made a video on that. You can also go through and check. So I'm using my high dictionary translate, so I will see what it's talking about. This one says more. Follow my modify the address. This says remind the shipment. I don't want to remind. I want to ask for refund. This says buy again. No. So you go to where you see more. Let's click on more. Then you go and check. Click on the item on its own. Yes. Click on the item on its own. So let's look for a dictionary and translate. see it, apply for a refund. See it at this downside. Follow my translator icon. Let me translate again. Apply for a refund. This one says add in the purchase. This one says buy again. We're applying for refund, so you click on this apply for refund here. As you can see, our translator translated this apply for refund, so you click on this place, you apply for refund. So let's go and check. Let's see. Okay, take the drop to go, so you click there for them to refund you. Click here, it will refund immediately. Everything will be refunded. You see, it has dropped. Look at, it has dropped. I don't know if you can see it. It has dropped. So let's translate and see what it's saying. See it. Trust is down to success. The return has been returned. Return to pay the treasure. So you see, it has been returned. So that's how you ask for a refund. Very simple and easy. All right, thank you guys. Do well to watch my other videos. Bye.